Thank you for joining me and welcome to my podcast Astro Vedic Wisdom Astrology. This is my sixth episode on Rahu and Ketu transit 2020 effects on all zodiac. Today I will talk about the effects of Rahu and Ketu transit on Libra ascendant peoples. Rahu and Ketu recently changed their sign on September 23, 2020 and currently Rahu transit in Taurus sign and Ketu transit in Scorpio sign. And it will be remain there until April 2022. Now moving on to Rahu and Ketu transit effects to Libra ascendant, the seventh sign of the zodiac. Currently Rahu in 8th house and Ketu in 2nd house of Libra ascendant. Rahu will transit 8th house to tough transit to experience. The 8th house represents transformation of life through bad or sad parts. Although it can be difficult as it embraces transformation, but there is no choice. The 8th house is beyond our control. You may go through some tough periods of life separation, divorce, accidents, and etc. This is a time to be disciplined and patient. Rahu transit in 8th house is not good for your health as well as life. You should be very careful and alert in health matters. A sexual disease is also possible, so great care of yourself. A lot of mental distress would be there along with unnecessary fears. There are chances of disharmony in marriage or with in-laws. There may be illicit relationship or you may cheat your wife in this transit period. Rahu may attract people who are negative for you or take you into areas that you are not prepared for. So you need to be watchful during this transit so that you can prevent yourself from going in the wrong direction. Drug addictions are most extreme experience of this transit. Ketu in 2nd house may bring issues with families. You should advise to keep a tap on your speech, and any wrong words on your path may destroy your relationship with your family members as well as close ones. Financial losses can also be there. You should stay away from new investments. You should also take special care of your diet in this duration. Avoid extra oily and fatty food items as it can have a direct impact on your health. 2nd house shows your asset. So you have avoid to sell or purchase any property or as any dealings of property. You should focus on your career, otherwise there may suffering in the career also. Be aware while crossing road or while walking on street because this is a highly accidental prone period for you. So just take good care of yourself. So that's all for the Libra sign. One thing is very important. The Rahu and Ketu effects are more prominent when a person is passing through Rahu and Ketu Dasha or Antardasha. Thank you. That's all for the day. I will post soon my next podcast on Scorpio Ascendant. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.